Okay, so I'm in my car and there's a rabid bird. I don't know if it's rabid, but it could very well be rabid. And I was parked in my garage and the stinking thing won't get out. I even honked my horn. And now it's making a nest. I'm pretty sure it's got babies behind my grill. And I don't know what to do to get it out. And I'm video documenting it for all of time. Because my friends don't believe how scary this bird really is. Ah, there it is! Ah, there it is! See it? What do I do? This is what I'm gonna do. It's big! It's so stinking big! That's a big bird. Okay. Alright. Polly, want a cracker? Come here, little birdie, birdie, birdie. Okay. Also, I'm in high heels. This could be dangerous. Come here. Come here, little bird. Okay. Now, jump on this. Ah! Oh my gosh! I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get the bird out of my house. I think it's hurt. I feel like I need to help the bird, but I don't know how. Would you look at that? I think this bird has been living in my garage for a while. I'm not even kidding. And I never noticed it. I think it's been living behind here. I don't know where it is. I know it's behind there, but I don't know how to shoo it out. I swear it's got a nest back there. It probably laid eggs. Wait, no, they lay eggs in the spring. Never mind. It didn't lay eggs. Okay, little bird. Seriously, I'm afraid the thing has rabies and it's gonna eat me. Ah, I'm scared. I'm scaring myself. This is not. I'm doing this to myself. I'm scaring myself. Oh my gosh. It's Bethany. It's just a bird. Okay, I'm just gonna start whacking this. Go away! Ha! You're actually pretty big. Oh, it's right there. I just saw it. Oh, I see it. Okay. It's right there. It's scared. I don't want to scare it either, but I don't want it to feel bad. I just want it to get out of my garage because I think you have bugs and infestations and parasites. I don't want them in my garage. I don't want your bird poop in here either. Okay, well, really, I'm afraid it's gonna nip my ankles. Okay, there we go. Here, this is gonna be a good tactic. I feel this is gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna shoo you out now. Come on. Oh, there you were. There you were. Come on. Come on, little bird. Yeah, you can come out. Come on. Ha, it's gonna run at me. I just feel it. I feel it. Okay, Bousema, you just gotta, I'm just gonna man up here. Except I don't really dare. Oh, see there? Okay. Ah! Oh, it was just a bug. I'm sorry. I just got scared because of, oh my word. A bug just, it was a big bug as well. Okay. Very, very big bug, like the size of my fist. See it right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's actually kind of cute. I feel bad for it because I think it's injured. I don't know if I should try to get it in a box and take it to the vet. See, it's like the thing is stubborn. This is a stubborn bird. Okay, you just gotta come out now, because you know what? It takes a lot to make me lose my patience, but you're about to do it. Okay, little guy? Come on, Tweety. Tweety bird! Yeah, it's scared. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh! It's mad! It's so mad! It's so mad! It's mad! Did you hear that? I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna call my dad or my brother. This thing is gonna fly at me. I feel it. It's gonna like swoop at my head like a bat does. Okay, will you step on my broom handle? Come on. Oh, good bird. Good bird. Come on. No, bad bird. No, bad bird. I feel like the bird has all the power here. Pretty sure the bird does have all the power because this is ridiculous. Bep, it's just a bird. See, I'm gonna move that and it's gonna flock its wings again. It's like a freaking eagle back there. I'm so okay. I'm not gonna move, even if it flaps its wiggle like wings at me. Okay, get out! I'm so scared. I can't do it. I'm taking control, bird. I'm taking control. Get out. Okay, good bird. Yeah, now, awesome, that's even better. Okay. Oh, keep going. There you go. Keep going. Don't go back behind. Go. Shoebird. It's gonna get mad. Go away. Okay, get out. It's flapping its wings. I just gotta get the courage to... When I move that, it's gonna like go ape. I feel it. Oh yeah, okay. No stinking way! That did not just happen! No! It's in my... How in the world? Okay. It's in my house! It's in my house! This didn't... Really? I'm not even surprised that just happened. I'm not. Dude, you don't live here. I'm asking you very nicely. I'm a Christian, and I love Jesus, and I don't want PETA to get mad at me, so if you can just leave, that would be nice. Please? Come on. I'm just going to call it out. Come on. I'm just going to use the sweetest voice that I have. Come on. Hi, little bird. Little Tweety bird. Your friends are all outside and they want to play with you. Okay, folks, this is the crap that they don't teach you. Excuse me, crap, I shouldn't say that. This is the stuff in life that they do not teach you in kindergarten or high school or college or seminary for that matter. You know what just came to mind? That Bible verse that my professor always says, which goes a little something like this. Wise as a dove. No, how's it go? It's somewhere in the Bible. Gentle as a dove, wise as a serpent. I don't think that's a dove. I don't know what kind of bird that is. I think it's a pigeon. But I don't really know how to be wise as a serpent right now. Oh my gosh, could you imagine if this was a snake? Okay, here we go. It's game time. You're gonna hop on my broom. Just gonna hop on my broom. It's mad. I've at this point, I have really ticked it off by, you missed the horn honking part. I was honking my horn at it for a while. Okay, it's moving. It's on the move. It's gonna be on the move. All right, here we go. I can do all things through Christ, who gives me strength to get rid of the bird that was once behind my grill, that was once behind my garbage, that is now in my entryway. Come on. I'm not scared of you. All right, folks. So, the situation that I am now referring to as, you know, like Tweety Bird DEFCON 1 or something. I've now been trying to execute this evacuation for a good solid 45 minutes, and it's not working. And so, it's kind of been a long day. As my hair and my makeup might allude to right now. So here's my plan of attack. I'm gonna let the bird, I'm gonna give Tweety some space in there, and I'm gonna let the bird come out on its own time as I spend some time in my driveway with my thoughts and my to-do list running through my head. And I'm gonna be the human, and I'm gonna let the bird be the bird. And you should just know that my broom and my horn have no effect on that thing. That is a strong-willed bird. I hope I never have a strong-willed child. Oh my goodness. So, while I'm, faithfully executing my plan of attack, which by the way I think is a pretty solid plan if I don't say so myself. I'm giving the bird some time, some space. I'm getting my mail. I wouldn't want to rush the bird or anything, so might as well run my errands while I'm waiting. All right, so I am about to go for round 2, like invasion round 2. Oh, there's my dog. And I think this is going to be the real deal here, folks. So, yep, still there. I'll go with a new tool. It's a bigger broom. Maybe a bigger broom is what needs to happen. Okay, I think I've waited you out long enough, and I think you just need to come out now. So I'm gonna be brave. Oh, you're gonna fly at me though. You're gonna fly at my head, and you've already messed my hair up enough. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't know what to do. Okay, so I just wanted to take a moment to address the fact that some people might see this as being a little overly dramatic, but I mean, honestly, like, thinking about the talons on that thing alone, like, this thing could kill me. Or at least, like, I mean, we're talking like prehistoric creature size here. I mean, maybe not me, but for sure small children. And I have a dog to protect. So, I'm being serious. I need to get that light on. I can't even see. Come on. Okay. Ah! I don't know if it went out. I don't know. I don't know where it is! I don't know where it is. It's out. I think it's out. Is it out? Is it? Alright, folks. So, that's how it's done. And, that's how it's done. An arsenal of brooms and, courage. Sheer courage. And I would appreciate it if my courage was, never taken into question again. Considering the wingspan on that thing, I would think that I'd be, eligible for a Medal of Valor of some sort. So, Tweety Bird, DEFCON 1, accomplish. Mission accomplished.